Okay, you're flying your favorite airplane over your favorite place and doing whatever, but a phone call, doorbell rings, whatever, you have to stop. Fortunately, Flight Simulator has a very easy method. Hit the escape key, come over to here that says load save, click on it, and you get some options from Xbox Cloud, a load from that PC, save to the cloud, save to the PC, whatever. So I'm going to save the file, and I'm going to just type in the name here. And this airport's O'Hare, but type in anything that you know about that flight that you want to say. You might want to say the plane's name and the airport, whatever you decide, and go ahead and save that flight. And just hit save, and there you are. Just so you know where we're at, we click there, and we can say save to this PC, and there we can see where it's stored at. It's on the hard drive itself. So I'm going to finish typing in the name here that I wanted, and click on save. And there it is. It's done. Just to demonstrate that I'm out of this particular flight, I'm going to go ahead and go back. I'm going to cancel. I'm not going to load it now. I'm just going to go back. I'm going to go back to the main menu and get out of this flight completely. Okay. So here I am later. I'm just fired up the flight simulator and I want to resume that flight. All I do is the same thing. I don't have to go through all this and do that. I just go back over here and say, see more. And I say here, open load save. And I can just say load from this PC. And then we'll see that we have the Chicago flight there. We click on it and I just say fly and we start to load the flight. And pretty soon it'll load up. So it'll take a little bit, but there I am, back in my place where I was. Click on ready to fly, and now I'm off and running from the start menu. So it doesn't even have to go back to the main menu. It could be any time previous. If you're in a flight and you've saved a previous flight, you can go directly here from flying. So here I am in Chicago. I say, okay, the other day I had that flight. Hit escape. Go to the same load save screen. And I'm going to say load from this PC. And here's a previous flight I did. So I'm going to click on it. Sure enough, boom, it starts to load the flight. And then within a few seconds, I'm right back doing that secret spy plane flight that I was doing. And I can just go ahead and click ready to fly. And I'm back in it where I left off the other day. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description of this video.